In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Ctrader time zone. If your charts don't line up with your local clock or you want to analyze markets in UTC or a specific session time, adjusting the time zone will make your candles, session starts, and indicators align with the timeline you actually use. Start by launching Ctrader, either the desktop app or the web version in your browser. The process is the same in both. Give it a moment to load your workspace and watch lists. Having a stable connection helps here, especially if you're switching between accounts or layouts. Next, open the specific symbol chart you want to adjust. This is important because the time zone setting you change is applied to the chart you're looking at. Make sure you've selected the right instrument and the right chart window, especially if you have multiple charts tiled or stacked. On that chart, look for the gear icon on the chart's toolbar. This gear is your entry point to the chart settings. You'll typically find it along the top of the chart area, near the time frame selector, drawing tools, or other chart controls. If your window is narrow, some icons may be tucked into a drop-down. Expand the toolbar if needed, so you can see the gear. Once the chart settings panel opens, look for the time zone option. It's usually labeled clearly and sits alongside other display preferences such as grid, scale, and visual elements. If there's a search field within settings, typing time can help you jump straight to it. Now choose your preferred time zone from the list. For everyday trading, picking your local time can make decision making faster because your charts match your clock. If you collaborate across regions or automate strategies, UTC is a great choice since it never shifts with daylight saving. Keep in mind, changing the time zone updates the timestamps along the x-axis and the position of candles and session markers. It doesn't change historical price data, only how time is displayed. Finally, confirm the change by clicking OK. Your chart should refresh immediately and you'll see the timescale update to your selected zone. Take a quick glance at the lower time axis and the most recent candle time to verify it aligns with your chosen setting. If something looks off, reopen settings to confirm the selection and ensure you adjusted the active chart. That's it. Launch Ctrader, open the chart you care about, hit the gear icon, find time zone, pick the zone you prefer and click OK. With that done, your analysis will be clearer, your sessions easier to track, and your trading routine more consistent.